Welcome students. Sister Beronica Costa, St. Joseph School and College, Bonpara, Nator, Class 10. Dear students, I have written some important passages for you. You can follow this passage and find out the answer. Read the passage, then answer the questions below. Traditional childhood pastimes of climbing trees and playing conkers are in decline. According to survey by the RSPB, Royal Society for the Protection of Birds. It is a charitable organization registered in England and Wales. The survey shows that people under 34 recall far fewer such children outdoor experiences than people over 55 according to a survey by RSPB. People were asked which of the 12 childhood outdoor experiences they could remember. The answer included making dents, daisy chains, climbing trees, playing conkers, and feeding birds. 4 out of 5 boys climbed trees and the same number of girls made daisy chains. But the survey showed the numbers declining among the newer generations. Some 15% more of those aged over 55 had these outdoor experiences in their childhood, compared with those between 15 to 34 years old. Some 92% of the public agreed that experiences of nature were still important to children, and 82% agreed that schools should play a role in providing them to all children. The survey has highlighted the positive impact of contact with nature on a child's education, health, well-being, and school skills. At the same time, there has been a decline in these opportunities, with negative consequences for children, families, and society, a condition now known as nature deficit disorder. My clerk, chief executive of the RSPB, will meet parliament members to urge the government to join other organizations in providing children with first-hand experiences of the natural environment. We believe this guidance should include the many positive impacts to children of having contact with nature and learning outside the classroom. Choose the correct answer from the following alternatives. Number A. Having contact with nature leaves a dash impact of children's mind. Answer 3. Positive. B. The text focuses on children's having contact with dash. Answer 2. Nature. Number C. Conventional pastime activities are on the dash. Answer 4. 1. D. Dash have more outdoor experiences. Answer 1. Aged people. Number E. Survey in the second line could be replaced by dash. Answer 4. Practical experience. Number G. My clerk, chief executive of the RSPB, puts emphasis on learning dash. Answer 1. Outside the classroom. Number H. There has been a dash change in form of pastime activities. Answer 2. conspicuous. Number I. Climbing tree is a dash pastime activity. Answer to conventional. J. The survey shows that the generation from nature lives is an dash effect on children, families and society. Answer 1 adverse. K. What is the purpose of the author of this passage? Answer 1 to highlight the nature deficit disorder. L. Who is your counterpart? Answer 1. Someone who does the same thing that you do it. M. Which of the following statements is true in the light of the passage? Answer 3. The children of new generation are gradually being deprived of the opportunities of going in contact with nature. N. Michael Dash providing children with first-hand experience of natural environment. Answer 4. Suggest. O. According to the text, students should have dash. Answer 1. First-hand experience with nature. P. What kind of generation is RSPB? Number 2. Benevolent. Q. What is the result of the survey regarding childhood experience? Answer 4. The young can remember fewer numbers. X. The word deficit refers to dash. Answer 2. Paucity. The word highlight stands for. Answer 2. Accentuate. Dear students, second passage about May Day or International Workers. আমি এখানে তোমাদের জন্য এই প্যাসেজটি তুলে ধরেছি এবং প্যাসেজের নিচে তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ অনেকগুলো এমসিকিউ প্রশ্ন রয়েছে এবং আনসার মার্ক করে দেওয়া আছে। তোমরা এই প্রশ্নগুলো বাড়িতে দেখবে, সঠিক আনসার কোনটি একটু মিলিয়ে নিবে এবং তার নিচে অনেকগুলো প্রশ্ন দেওয়া আছে, এই প্রশ্নগুলো বাড়িতে করতে চেষ্টা করবে। থ্যাংক ইউ অল।